Good morning, family and friends. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So today, my husband wants some soup for dinner. I am going to do some barbecue chicken for the boys, and I have some jerk chicken over there seasoned. But today, I'm just gonna record this. I was gonna record the barbecue. I don't know. Anyway, so here I have a pot of some pumpkin washed and diced. So I'm gonna bring that to a boil, and once that starts to get soft and dissolve, then I'm gonna go ahead and go with the meat, and the meat that he said he wanted, y'all, with some go ahead soup. We call this Mannish water. So let me show you guys. In this pot, yes, the whole thing, honey, the whole caboodle. Okay, so the feet, the head, stomach, intestine, and right here is piece of the ear. So all this will be going into here and get it going. And while this is going, I'm gonna knead some flour. So whenever I'm ready to add it in, I want to be done today early. I want this to speed up a little bit faster, the Running Man, but it ain't gonna happen. I'm just gonna have to let it take its time. So while that's going, I'm going to be kneading the flour. While that's going, I'm going to be kneading the flour and have it rest. So I just keep on adding, and then I'm gonna add some yam and some cocoa. That's all he wants in it. Like I told y'all before, he's not the type of person that want a lot of stuff in his soup. So I'm gonna let this go, and I'll be back. Why I always be rambling? Okay, family, let's check the pumpkin. When my pumpkin's like this, I use a potato masher and mash it out. Like that. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my meat. Just dump all this in there, which my kids are not gonna love because it do have a strong smell, which is fine. They'll get over it, honey. So I'm gonna let this go for a boil, and everything. What I might do is add onion and garlic to help calm down the smell. But that's all right. I'm gonna smash a couple pieces of garlic in there. I don't want it too garlicky, so just 2 cloves of garlic. Excuse any background noise you hear. My vacuum is cleaning, is vacuuming, and my kids are, you know, it's a mother's life. Okay, so I'm just gonna put 2 cloves of garlic in here. Smash and slice. Let that boil. I'm gonna let it boil for about an hour because I still need everything to cook. This is like, I think it's a half. No, yeah, about a half or a quarter. I forgot how we. I'm sorry. I forgot how we had cut when we brought it home because I remember I told you guys I was gonna get the goat. So that's where I went, got it, came home, and burn it, took all the hair off and stuff. So that's where that's from. And so I'm gonna let this boil for about an hour. I will add more water to it, and then I'll come back after an hour. So it's now what, 12:06. So I'll be back at 1. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So we're at the hour mark, and my husband must know something I didn't know, because it is pouring down rain, and it's a beautiful day for a pot of soup. All right, so it's 12:57, 1 o'clock. So here I already had my knee in my dough ever since I put the meat in. So I'm gonna add my let me put this in real quick, because these starting to oxidize real bad. These yellow yam, they starting to oxidize. So let me just put them in real quick, and then I do the dumpling. My mom said, my grandma always say, cut your yam them small, cause yellow yam them my short. So let me put it in. And when I cook soup, I put everybody in at once. I don't wait. I used to do that, and I give the dumpling a couple 30 minutes, then I put the yam. Everybody going in at one time. Okay. So that's in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my dumplings in. And whenever I make Mannish water, we call this Mannish water, I make my dumplings real small. So just enough to, because you know it's gonna expand when it go in the flour in the water. So I make them real small like that. Then I make what we call spinners. Y'all see me make soup before. I don't know how far he is, but by the time he get home, this should be done. Because he left out early this morning. So he'll have something. So I do like every round dumpling, I do a spinners. If that makes sense. I don't know. That's just me. That's what I do. Again, do what's best for you and your family. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these up. And then I have a piece of cocoa. I have a piece of cocoa to put in there. I'll probably put 1 piece because he's the only one to eat it. And I'm going to cut that in about 3 pieces. I don't know if y'all can hear the thunder rolling. So now, okay, so now I'm going in with the cocoa. I'm putting all this in. One of them was good. The other 2, I had to cut out a lot of the pieces. So, all right. So this is gonna. Hold on, y'all. I'm talking. Hopefully, y'all heard me. So you see the cocoa that I just added. I was saying that one of them, only one was good. The other 2 that I had to cut them up. Y'all hear that thunder? I had to cut it up real, cut them up real bad. So that's gonna go, and I'm gonna, usually I don't do this, but I just found some potatoes in my pantry, and I don't want them to go bad, so I'm just gonna add 2 of them to it. I usually don't, because they're not Irish potato. Usually you don't add that in there, but I just add it because I don't want them to go, but I don't want them to go bad. So I'm gonna add that to it, cover this up, and let this go for another 45 minutes. Come back, get all my aromatics, put them in, and show you guys. Okay, family and friends, here it's looking. It's looking good, good looking. Probably a lot of steam. That's all right. You know what going on the pot. All right. Not a lot of dumpling. I love my dumplings like this size. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my noodles. I have 3 packs of noodles here. Let me show you guys. these are the noodles that I'm working with. 2 of these and 1 of this. All right, so they've been sitting in water, so get all the clumps out of it and everything. So I'm just gonna pour this in, even though there's still some in there. All right, give this a stir. I'm gonna take this out and cut it up in a little bit. Okay, and as far as I'm going to be adding 2 stalks of scallion, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. Yes? Can I have a bowl and a cup? Here's your cup. Look in the dishwasher if you see a bowl. Okay. Give this a stir. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to try to cut it up the best I can. I'm going to use a knife and a fork. Try me you want to, sis. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and took out what I can out of it. So all this is going back in here. Eyeballs and all. Okay. Give this a stir. I haven't tasted yet. I want to let the noodles do its thing, but you know, I need seasoning. I'm going to need seasoning. So I'm going to let the noodle do its thing for a little bit more. About a good 5 minutes. Yes, son? Can I move the mat to where I sit? And I'll be back in about 5 minutes. So I'm going to turn this down because the noodles will burn at the bottom of the pot, start sticking. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to season. This needs some flavor. Yes, sir, man. So you need flavor. Flavor. Yeah, I need flavor. Okay, let me cut the foolishness. So, yeah, I know. Chicken bouillon. I turn on back the stove. That's what my husband must, he just walked in. He got a big old grin on his face like Chester Cat. Some black pepper. Some salt. Oh Lord, onion powder. Oh Jesus, I caught that quick. Thank you. All right, some garlic powder. You know, I have to be watching my grill. I have some barbecue chicken and some jerk chicken on the grill right now. So I have to be watching my grill because I told y'all my grill crazy. Give this a stir. This is getting nice and thick. Like I said, this weather, honey, that pepper isn't burst yet, but the pepper is not burst yet, but I can taste it in the soup. Oh, that hurt. All right, I'm gonna cover this back up. And next time you guys see me, I will be plating. So that's how I make my goated soup Mannish water. Nice and thick. Okay. Bubble pata bubble. Bubble pata bubble. So
the doctor is here.
I will next time you guys see me, I will be plating. I'm gonna taste this again to see let me see. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna toot my own horn. Toot toot. Okay, because usually my husband get this from a restaurant out by the house, by our house, and it's like $12 for a large. He got days for soup. Okay, I must have been feeling real generous today. When he asked for it, I got up and did it, even though I have a headache. So that is done. The next time you guys see me, I will be plating, and that is how I make my Mannish water goat head soup with tripe. No, that is how I make my Mannish water. All right, family and friends, my soup is finished. This is my bowl. I can't wait to dig in. I had to get some other stuff done. So this is my bowl of soup. Very nice, y'all. Husband already had 2 bowls, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Protect yourself, your loved one, take care of each other. And until next time we meet again in my kitchen, please be safe. Bye. Peace.